Hey guys, greeting from a software engineer and learner like you. First of all, thank you very much for landing on this Udemy course, and I would like to ask you one question. Are you a student who is about to pass his graduation and very much interested to learn big data technologies and want to pursue your career as a big data developer? Or you are a software professional who wants to move from his domain to big data domain without struggling too much? So congratulations, you are at right course. How? Let me introduce myself. I am Aviral Bhardwaj, a software engineer at Bangalore. I have been working in big data for a few years and still learning. As I believe if the learning will stop, then living will stop. I have experience of teaching offline, so I can make sure you guys that you are at right course. So we will both learn and implement technologies.
So hey guys, this is first lecture, okay, and how we have divided this course. This is only this will be the series of courses, okay. So first in this course we will discuss Python only, okay, because it will if I will add a lot of subject here like Linux and Databricks and everything, it will not work completely. So first I am releasing this course with a Python only, and in this course I will keep updating this Python lecture, and I will keep adding number of question here, number of lecture here, and till then what you will do, you will run this course in a 1.5x speed, because I am speaking very slowly, okay. So I hope you will do this thing. And another thing is that you keep posting comment there, by that I can keep updating this course, and you guys are only the right person, those who can judge. I'm not a perfect person for this course. There are a lot of courses, but this is my just initiative to starting big data technologies, and in a less amount of money, and I will give you guys coupon for this thing, okay. Coupon will be available once you enrolled in this course. I will keep you can keep pinging me on LinkedIn and LinkedIn only, and if somewhere I shared my email address, you can directly send me email also. By that I can revert you and give coupon of this course, or maybe in series of courses. In if this will complete, this is just a pilot project. If this will be completed, so we will move forward with other courses, okay. Thank you.